What up, Airsofters? Spencer here. I have my June 16th 3rd anniversary G&G gun. I'm doing a review since my friends from school been asking me to do it. Shout out to Michael, Maya, and a couple of my friends on my bus. I'm going to be doing this with my airsoft gun. I have a 4x32 scope on here, and I just attached it to my M4, so it's pretty simple. Alright, I'm going to be shooting in my garage, but I'm going to be using the scope, and I'm going to be calling hits. So, let me get that set up. Alright, I'm going to make here. And I gotta use quick because I'm still charging my gun. I mean, not my gun, my computer. Alright. Kind of hard to see. I gotta keep it out here. Let's see. Nah, I can't do that from there. My computer's gonna slide off. I'm gonna have to, like it or not, I'm gonna have to do it like this. Alright. Hit. 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 Alright, I'm gonna do a little full auto. Or like a 3-shot burst. Hit. Alright, let me also do my review. Once again, this is the CM16 3rd anniversary mod as 0. See you later.